So, ngayon, loss of software estimation. So, ano tong loss of software estimates o software estimation? Estimates are ways, no? Yung time daw na ini-spend mo sa estimates is deliverables, which is correct, no? Estimates are non-transferable, estimates are wrong, estimates are temporary, estimates are necessary. So, kung makikita nyo, itong law of software estimation, parang totoo. Pero, ito rin yung nagpapatunay na napaka-importante ng estimates. Kahit na yan ay mali, kahit yan ay temporary, kahit yan ay non-transferable, at dapat deliverables mo na yan. Well, yung estimates is part of deliverables. No? Ito yung hindi na namin natakal nung nag-aaral ako. So, it's good na natakal ko to ngayon. So, yun lang po.